So very good afternoon. I'm Dr. G. Vijay Kumar, Professor from Department of Agriculture Engineering, Sri Shanmuga College of Engineering and Technology. So today let's have the topic on post-harvest technology. Post-harvest technology is the process which are involved after the harvest of any agricultural crops, such as drying, um, threshing, winnowing, storage, like that. So this process involves some technologies and techniques and all. So this is called a post harvest technology. So this includes harvesting. After the harvesting is over, the handling, material handling, such as the transportation, storage and all, and the threshing, transport, processing, storage, milling, losses. Finally, it's end at consumption, consuming of agricultural products. So the threshing is the process of separation of the grain from stock materials from the agricultural crops. Then once it is over, then we are going to have the drying process, then transportation, and then after that unit operation process, such as milling or grinding, whatever the process involved. That is what the milling processing. The storage. So we have to store such a grains for next process. So milling is a process of dehulling or dehusking, especially for paddy, wheat, like that cereal crops. Then some losses will occur during the all process. Those losses also consider. So finally we are going to consume the products. So this is the flow diagram of the post harvest technology from harvest to consumption. The first is the preparation of harvested grain for storage. The second, which is referred to as a primary processing, involves further treatment of the grain to clean it, remove the husk or reduce the size. The products from prior processing are still not consumable. The third stage is the secondary processing, that is called the transformation of the grains into edible products. So this includes all the unit operation process which were discussed in the last slide. The next, what are the post-harvest technology involves as I mentioned. So for example, the cereal crops is concerned, the harvesting takes place, threshing, winnowing, drying, storage. So this is the post-harvest treatment for storage process. For example, threshing, already I mentioned, the winnowing, threshing is a separation of grain from the stalk. Winnowing is the removal of dust or other foreign materials from the grain. Drying is a removal of moisture content from the materials. Then finally storage. Before storage we must do the drying process, or otherwise if any moisture content is exist in these grains, this will leads to germinate, or otherwise the microbial growth formation. So to avoid that, the drying process will be taken up. So there are several stages in the post-harvest technology, such as harvesting, threshing, drying, storing, processing, primary processing. Primary processing includes cleaning, classification, dehulling, pounding, grinding, packaging, soaking, winnowing, drying, sieving, whitening, milling. Such kind of activities will be done. So secondary processing, such as mixing, cooking, frying, molding, cutting, extrusion, product evolution, that means quality control. So these are all. So after these two processes is over, we are going for packaging with the weighing, labeling and sealing. Then finally marketing, publicity, selling, distribution, reuse and consumer preferences finally. Okay, so this is what the stages of post harvest technology. So the main objective of the post harvest technology is to reduce loss in quantity or volume and the product's qualitative or nutritional value. Second one is to maintain the excellent quality of the produce, color, taste, flavor or aroma. Then third one is to increases the shelf life of the crops, to keep the commodities free from insect and pest, to get commodities all year round, to create surplus for export agro business. Thank you.